Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to do the examples 4, 5 and 6 of Chapter 9, 7th grade CBSE NCERT Maths. Fourth example is find the area of the following triangles. Here you can see two triangles. We have to find the area of these triangles. What is the formula for finding the area of a triangle? We know the formula is half into base into height. Okay, let us do. First, let us write what are given here. You can see in this triangle PQR, QR is the base and PS is the height to this base QR. And here it is given base is 4 centimeters and height is 2 centimeters. So let us write in triangle PQR, base QR equal to 4 centimeters, height PS equal to 2 centimeters. Now, area of the triangle equal to we know the formula, it is half into base into height, or we can write B into H divided by 2 like this also. That is equal to half into, what is base here? Base is 4 centimeters. So 4 centimeters into height is 2 centimeters. So 2 centimeters. That is equal to, here we can cancel these 2, or we can divide this 2 and 4 by 2, or we can write like this also, that is 4 into 2, it is 8 centimeter into centimeter, it is centimeter square divided by 2. Now what is 8 divided by 2? It is 4. So it is 4 centimeter square. So area of this triangle is 4 centimeter square. Now let us do the second part. In this triangle LMN, MN is the base and LO is the height. So let us write in triangle LMN, base that is MN equal to 3 centimeters, height LO equal to 2 centimeters. Now area of this triangle equal to half into base into height, or we can write base into height divided by 2. That is equal to, here base is 3 centimeters into height is 2 centimeters divided by 2. That is equal to 3 2s are 6 centimeters square divided by 2. That is equal to 6 divided by 2, it is 3. That is 3 centimeters square. So area of this triangle is 3 centimeters square. Now let us go to the fifth example. Here find BC if the area of the triangle ABC is 36 centimeters square and the height AD is 3 centimeters. Here we have to find BC. What is BC here? Here BC is the base of this triangle. And what is given? Area of this triangle is given. It is equal to 36 centimeters square and height is given, that is AD equal to 3 centimeters. Height equal to 3 centimeters. We have to find base. How to find base? We know the formula for finding the area of a triangle, that is area is equal to half into base into height. Now for getting base, keep base here itself, that is base equal to area into 2 divided by height, that is base is equal to 2 into area divided by height. Doing this, we will get the base. Okay, let us solve. In triangle ABC, height, that is AD, equal to 3 centimeters, area equal to 36 centimeters square. We have to find base. So, base is equal to, what is base here? It is BC, that is equal to, what is the formula? It is 2 into area divided by height, that is equal to 2 into area is 36 centimeters square divided by height is 3 centimeters, that is equal to, here we can multiply 2 into 36, after that we can divide that product by 3, or we can divide 36 and 3 by 3. 3 divided by 3 it is 1. Here 3 divided by 3 it is 1. 6 divided by 3 it is 2. So we get 2 into 12 centimeter square divided by 1 centimeter, that is equal to 2 12s are, it is 24. Now centimeter square divided by centimeter, it is centimeter, that is 24 centimeters. So here the base BC of this triangle is 24 centimeters. The next example is in triangle PQR, PR equal to 8 centimeters, QR equal to 4 centimeters and PL equal to 5 centimeters. Find the area of the triangle PQR and QM. Here first we have to find the area of this triangle PQR. After that we have to find QM, that is length of QM. First let us find the area of this triangle. That is, what is the formula? Area equal to half into B into H, or base into height. That is equal to half into, here which base and height we will consider? If we consider the base PR, then we have to consider the height QM, but its length is not given. So we will consider the base QR and its corresponding height, that is PL. So here base is QR into height is PL. Substituting these values, we will get the area. So let us write. In triangle PQR, base, that is QR, equal to 4 centimeters. Height, it is PL, that is equal to 5 centimeters. Now area equal to half into base into height, that is equal to half into base is 4 centimeters into height is 5 centimeters, that is equal to, here we can cancel 2 and 4, that is 2 divided by 2 it is 1, 4 divided by 2 it is 2. So we get 2 centimeters into 5 centimeters, that is equal to 2 5s are 10 centimeter into centimeters, it is centimeter square. So area of this triangle PQR is 10 centimeter square. Next we have to find the length of QM. How to get the length of QM? What is QM? Here QM is the height. So if we know the area and base of a triangle, how to find the height? The formula for finding the area of a triangle is half into base into height. If we want to find height, then height will be equal to area into 2 divided by base. That is height equal to 2 into area divided by base. So let us write in triangle PQR, base is equal to, here which base we have to consider? Here we need to find the height QM. So QM is the height to the base PR. So here we have to consider the base PR. Base PR equal to, it is given here, 8 centimeters. Now area of this triangle, that is equal to, what is area? Already we got, it is 10 centimeter square. Therefore height QM equal to, what is the formula? It is 2 into area divided by base. That is equal to 2 into area is 10 centimeters square divided by base is 8 centimeters. Here we can cancel 2 and 8, that is 2 divided by 2, it is 1, 8 divided by 2, it is 4. Again we can divide 10 and 4 by 2, or we can write like this, that is 10 centimeters square divided by 4 centimeters. Here we can divide 10 and 4 by 2, that is 4 divided by 2, it is 2, 10 divided by 2, it is 5. So we get this is equal to 5 centimeters square divided by 2 centimeters. That is equal to, what is 5 by 2? 5 by 2 is 2.5, isn't? Or we can do long division here, that is 5 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. When we subtract 5 minus 4, it is 1. Next, no digits to bring down, so put a decimal here and write 0 here. Now bring down this 0. Now it is 10. So 10 divided by 2, we know it is 5. Before that, here also we have to put one decimal. And now 10 divided by 2, it is 5. That is 5 2s are 10. When we subtract, we get 0. So here 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. Now centimeter square divided by centimeter, it is centimeter. So the length of QM is 2.5 centimeters. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.